Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong, Connecting Our Community. I am delighted to have Doug Fenwick, who is the president of Koppers Performance Chemicals, with me. Doug, thanks for being on the episode.
Hey, Dave. Happy to be here.
So, Doug, let's get right into it. I know you guys are having some uptick in parts of your business and whatnot. Tell us about how that's actually impacting your overall business and what's going on with that.
Well, one of the silver linings for Koppers has been during this pandemic, it's placed a lot more people at home and within their own living quarters. And there's a lot of make work projects that are going on right now. Our company makes chemicals for the wood preservation industry, and that business has never been stronger. We're actually seeing historical demand right now from all the box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, 84 Lumber, etc. Many unique building supply distributors across the United States right now, and record back orders and demand on materials. Home Depot tracks their products as an example in comparative store sales, and the top three products in Home Depot for the last 2 months have been tracking paint number 1, treated lumber number 2, and outdoor living number 3, and that's about the same across the board from all these box stores. Really incredible demand.
So speaking of the demand and how is that impacting your production, your supply chain? What's the update on that?
Supply chain is tight right now. Production's fine. We put a lot of CapEx into our manufacturing facilities over the last several years, so we're in good shape that way. We're vertically integrated in making our own copper products in our Northern Michigan facility, and when the pandemic hit, we slowed down, not production, but certainly our inventory levels got a little bit more normalized than we would normally going into the season. And now we're scrambling a little bit in order to meet demand. But it's a great problem to have. We're chasing material all over Asia, India right now, and even a few domestic suppliers here in the U.S. So we're fulfilling the need and haven't had to do any allocation to date. But the demand has just been incredible. And right now we're seeing it going strong right through the summer.
Final question for you, Doug. It looks like you're spending a little bit of more time outside yourself. Any funny stories around some of your communication calls? Yeah,
well, this has been probably the beauty of working from home for me has been in the outdoor deck. I've really enjoyed that. We've had, I would say our communication has never been better than it is today. We've adopted the Microsoft Teams app, and we use that to talk to all of our international group all over the world. I've personally enjoyed listening to all the multitasking going on some of these calls. We had a call on Friday afternoon just before the weekend, and everyone hears the kids crying and the dogs barking, the doorbells going off, house telephones going off, dryer bells. But the best one on Friday was someone casting a fishing line either off a boat or a dock, and we had 17 people on the call. Nobody would own up to who it was, but we all had a good chuckle on that. It was a good way to end the week.
That's awesome. Doug, thanks for being on the episode.
My pleasure, Dave. Thank you.